Are you tired of the frustration that comes with hearing loss and cognitive decline? Millions of people like you face this challenge every day. It's not just about missing conversations. It's about missing out on life's moments. Introducing Cortexi, your natural solution to regain control. What sets Cortexi apart? It's not just a product. It's a lifeline. Our unique blend of natural ingredients, including ginkgo biloba, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B12, is designed to improve your hearing and boost cognitive function. I understand your skepticism. I've been there too. But let me share my personal experience. After struggling with hearing loss for years, I found hope in Cortexi. Cortexi changed my life. I can hear clearly again, and my memory has improved significantly. I was skeptical at first, but now I'm a believer. Cortexi is a game changer. Don't let counterfeit products jeopardize your health. Purchase Cortexi only from our official website. The link is in the description below. And here's the best part. Try Cortexi risk-free with our 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. You deserve to live life to the fullest. Don't let hearing loss or cognitive decline hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards a better tomorrow with Cortexi.